Hi guys, this is Mr. Atomos, your daily provider of fascinating tutorial videos. So this time, we'll be talking about free fall. So what is this problem all about? So let us read the ball or a ball is dropped from the top of the building that is 7 meters high as shown in the figure. How long does it take before it hits the ground? And letter B, how fast is it moving just before hitting the ground? So we have here a figure. So sinabi dito, yung bola is dropped from the top of the building. So let us have this building on siya. So yung building daw natin is 7 meters as mentioned here. You have this one, 7 meters. So assume that the height of this ball is the same height with our building kasi nasa top man siya on level with our building which is 7 meters high. So the first question here is how long does it take before it hits the ground? So ibig sabihin, what is the time dito gidrapan yung ball dito pababa man. So what is the time in terms of seconds before mag-hit yung ball na to sa ground? What is the time dyan? So yan yung sa letter B, sa letter N. Sa letter B natin, how fast is it moving before it hits the ground? So ibig sabihin meron tayong velocity na hinahanap din dito. So ngayon, let us write first all the given para mas easy natin siya ma-answer. So yung first given natin is 7 meters. Just remember that we should have identified the reference point or datum. So to identify the reference point or datum, kailangan that is the point at which doon nag-start mong gi-drop yung ball. So in this case, since dito yung ball natin sa 7 meters high, so ito yung datum natin or the reference point. Okay? So that's your initial point of the ball. So yung final point natin ng ball natin is dito. So this is point A or first point and then this one is the last point of our ball. So ngayon, since we're talking about vertical, so yung distance from the initial going down is this one is our initial, no? So we will represent that one as yi or simply ya. So initial point. And we know that as mentioned in the problem, yung ball natin dito is naka 7 meters high na siya. So nasa taas na siya, which means meron siyang initial point na 7 meters. Okay? Ngayon, yung final point niya is nandito na, let us say, sa ground. So that is our YF, which is from 7 going to our ground, which is this is now the 0. Okay? So ngayon, ano pa yung ibang given? Let us look at the problem. Obviously, meron naman itong acceleration due to gravity, diba? Which is negative g, or simply, you have 9.81, we'll use 9.81 in this case, meter per second squared. What else? Ano pa yung given? So since ang velocity natin dito is, as you could see, nasa top shot and then gi-drop lang man siya, so wala siyang initial velocity na binigay. So ibig sabihin, our v sub I dito is equal to 0. And then, yun sa question letter B na how fast is it moving? So ibig sabihin, what is now the velocity before siya mag-hit ng ground? Okay, so that's the question letter B. But of course, our goal natin dito is for letter A. So let us neglect first yung sa question letter B. So in this case, yung V sub I natin dito is 0. So, pagtingin natin dito sa ating kinematic equations, no? So ano yung mga given dito? Sa ating kinematic equations, let's identify what are those given sa ating problem. So sa ating problem, yung hindi pa na-mention sa part A is yung final ba? You have the final velocity. So wala siyang binigay na final velocity, no? Because yun yung hinahanap. So ibig sabihin, saan yung wala yung final velocity, that's the equation that you're gonna use. In this case, 4 equations that we have, yung hindi na-mention sa part A is ito, final velocity. So ibig sabihin, you will use this equation. So in that case, we'll write now the solution for letter A. So we will use equation letter number 2. So you have YF is equal to YI. And then plus VIT minus 1 half GT squared. Okay? So, by substituting our values, ito siya, kung substitute natin dito. Saan dito yung ma-zero? Yung ma-zero dito is yung VI natin, no? Ito siya. Kasi 0 man yan siya kasi naka-stationary niyan sa kamay ng isang tao. Dito, so it means 0 yung velocity initial niya dyan. So this one, VI natin 0 times time. So of course, this will become 0. Okay? And then in the equation that we have, YF is equal to YI. So since ang YF natin dito, or final point, is 0 man, so we will mark that one as 0 also. So ano yung mga natira na lang dito sa equations natin? So this is 0 is equal to yi minus 1 half gt squared. So ano yung hinahanap natin dito? Yung hinahanap natin dito is yung time. Okay? So ngayon, 0 na to siya. So yung time dito yung hinahanap. So mag-transpose tayo ng either of these terms. Pwedeng si yi, pwede rin ito siya. So para ma-positive to, ito na lang yung i-transpose natin sa other side. The whole term of this. So it will become positive no kasi negative na siya dito. So you have 1 half gt squared is equal to yi. So ngayon, since t yung hinahanap, so we will divide both sides by 1 half g and then 1 half g. So ibig sabihin, yung natira lang dito is yung t na lang. T squared, I mean. So t squared is equal to, so this one, you can just manipulate this one as 2yi over g. Okay? So by substituting the values, so we will have 2 times, yung yi natin is 7 meters over, yung g natin is 9.81 meter per second squared. So in that sense, meron na tayong equation na kuha na naman. So by manipulating that one, ito siya, makancel ba to? Yes, makancel siya. So numerator and numerator to siya dito sa part na to. So it will become the square root of, but since ang ating time dito is naka-squared man, so we will do a square root for that. So it will become 14 over, ito siya, mapunta na ito siya sa taas, so magiging squared din siya. 14 over 9.81, and then i-squared natin yun siya. So ito siya matanggal. So yung matira lang is t na lang yan dyan. So by using our scientific calculators, we will have t is equal to 1.2 seconds. So ngayon, the time sa pag-drop ng ball going to the point B is 1.2 seconds. So let's have letter B. So for letter B, ano yung tinatanong dito? So we have what is that velocity before it hits the ground. So as we could see in our figure, yung kukunin lang dyan is yung final velocity that we have. So ngayon, for letter B, VF is question mark. Okay? So ano yung equation na gagamitin natin so that makuha natin yung hinahanap. So ngayon, tingnan natin yung equations natin. So, tingnan natin yung equation 1. Since lahat ng mga variables are already given sa problem, and then meron na tayong VI. So you can use any of those equations as long as may mga VF. So as you could see, it's only equation 1 may VF and equation number 3. Okay, and equation number 4. But the simplest equation for that, if all the givens, or I mean all the variables are already given, so you can use any of those equation. So ito man yung pinaka-simple na mas madali lang natin i-manipulate. So let's have equation number 1 kasi yung VI nakuha na natin. I mean, meron na given na yan siya, which is 0. Meron din tayong value sa G and meron na tayong value sa time. Okay? So ngayon, let's use equation number 1. So that is VF is equal to VI minus GT. So with that, saan dito yung ma-zero gani? So yung ma-zero dito is yung initial velocity kasi ano lang siya, stationary sa kamay ng before it is being dropped. So it means that is 0. So yung matira na lang, VF is equal to negative GT. And we know that the value of our G is 9.81 meter per second squared times yung time natin na nakuha, which is this one na, that is 1.2 seconds. So may makancel ba? Okay. May makancel. So makancel tong is dito, numerator, dito denominator, so makancel yung isang s dyan. So by using our calculators, it will give you 11.7 meter per second. But that's negative, no? Ano ang ibig sabihin ng negative na sign dyan? So ibig sabihin, yung final velocity natin is 11.7 meter per second, which is downwards. So yan yung ibig sabihin ng sign dito na negative. So you can use, justifiable lang yun, lang itong sign na to. Kasi, as we can see in the figure, yung ball man natin is pababa. Diba? Kasi gidrapan siya from sa taas. And we know that in our sign convention, when the velocity is going down, so yung sign niya dyan is negative. And if it is going up, that is positive. So this is correct.